In this video, we are going to see that if you come across the app model runtime error, even 65, and it says failed with 0x57 retrieving app model runtime status for package Windows, here is the quick solution for you. So what we need to do is just go to the start menu and right here, WS reset. Basically, we are going to reset the Microsoft Store, click on run command, or you can just right click and run as administrator. It will process a little bit and then it will open up your Microsoft Store. And hopefully after that, you should face no problem in the runtime error. And after that, what else we can do is just open up the start menu and we need to write here CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. If it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly on the screen. We just have to write here SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. So you have to write in exactly the same way. Hit enter and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time. Begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3%. And we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. After that, just close out of here. And we need to restart our computer once to make all of this effective. And after that, you can just try running that application or that update, whatever you were doing again. And you should face no problem in accessing that. But if you are still facing the issue, what you can do is just open up the start menu and right here features and actually write apps and features. We basically want to head over to the installed apps. So we need to click on the one we are having problem with. So for example, we are having problem with Copilot. Just click next to it and click on advanced options. So whatever that application is, you will find this options in all of these. So if we scroll down a little bit, we will have an option to repair that. So click on repair. It will immediately start the repair. And after that, just try running. If it still doesn't work, we might even try to reset this. But for reset, this is very important message. This will permanently delete app data on your device, including your preference and sign-in details. So if you're sure about that, if you have all of these credentials saved somewhere, just click on reset. And it will completely reset that particular application for you. If not, you can save all of that credentials somewhere before even resetting it. And after that, just try restarting your device once again. And hopefully that should work after that. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.